Well, it's a bit wet today. I'll give these fish some food. Oh, hello. Thanks for joining me today. Didn't think you were going to come in and see. I just thought I'd invite you round, have a look on my pond, my little setup, see what it is I've got. What I'll do first is I'll show you the fish. They're due a feed now, so I'll just lift the net up, give them some food, let you see them having some food, and we'll go from there. Spin you around and I'll see you again shortly. It's awful weather today. I'll just flip my net over. Here they are. Coming to have a little nosy. Want to know where the food are. So this is my pond. It's 8 foot by 8 foot by 4 foot deep. Line of pond. 4-inch bottom drain. Spin drifter. Gravity fed into the Nexus 220. My net's just nearly killed me. Just pop my net back up there. So that's into my Nexus 220. This has been running now for just on 3 years. I had the pond pump fed originally, and this Nexus was like all the way up here somewhere, this height. So what I have is on the outer biological chamber, as they call it, I have the 95 litre aqua air pump running that alone, and then I have the 75 aqua air pump that just runs the bottom drain. As you can see, I have a 25 watt UV, and obviously my Evolution Aqua 10,000 water pump. Never let me down, been running for 4 years now, and like I said, never ever let me down. My dechlorinator, Captain Jack keeps an eye on that for me. Oh, got a little friend as well. I feed them in the summer Takasumi High Growth, and from September I feed them Vital. What we'll do, I'll just give the fish a little feed for yous without spilling it all everywhere, and we'll just see how hungry they are. There you go, little fishies. Got me a Chiba. Like I said, I'm not brilliant with the names of them. They're just koi to me. I can't pronounce them even if I didn't know how to pronounce them. So I think I have about 19 now. I say about, I do have 19 fish in here. So I introduced the veg filter a year and a half ago. So this is pumped back from the Nexus. So the Nexus will pump back into the pond, 2 inch down, and then obviously through to the veg filter as well. What I'll do is I'll just turn the air off. They don't tend to like the air being off, it spooks them, but what I'll do is I'll turn it off, we can have a little better look at them then. So they'll just be a bit suspicious for a minute, and then they'll come and see what's going on, because there's food to be eaten. Yeah, I made this is a 25mm pipe with metal conduit inside it, just to keep it a bit steady, stop it blowing away. I did have glass around the edge, but I still wasn't convinced of them jumping, or obviously ahead and coming and having a go at them. I should get into a routine really of taking the air pump off every now and again, so they get used to it then and they'll know what's happening, because they seem to just spook them out. They're not very keen on it. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a little tour of my pond. I did have a roof on here last year, but it blew away and it just got damaged. So my idea is to take this down. Obviously this will all come out, this outbuilding. It's a plan to take all this out, and this will all be a deck and seating area then. What I'm planning to do with the Nexus is this will then move right outside into the corner once I gain that space off the property, and I'll just rejig all this pipe work. So there's, I've got a waste drain which I brought up from the house when I made the pond. I've got my own tap water supply, and that's it. I mean, it's been tough. I've lost fish in the past. I've made mistakes, done things wrong, but I like to think I'm on track now. Like I said, it's 4 years old. Many fish in there I've got from Tim at Quality Nishikoi. I've got a few from my friend's ponds, and some of them I bought some fish from New Forest Koi that I had in my outbuilding. I bought 25 of them which I grew on. I give 11 away. A couple died and then I put the rest in my pond. Some of them now are babies, some of them just haven't grown. Some of them obviously died. And I think I've got 5 in there which are my babies. So yeah, I do my best for them. I come out every day I see them every day, you know I'm coming. And I just do my best for them. So that's a little tour of my pond, sleeper built. So hope you enjoy that. And obviously when I do this moving about of stuff, obviously moving about in here and configuring things, I can bring you along and show you the journey, maybe. And all I do with this now is I just flick this back over like that, and that just keeps them safe. I'll pop the air back on for them. They hate the air being off. And that's it. That's the air back on. What I'll do, I'll just pop you down here. Leave you there with the fish. And I'll see you again another time. Bye for now.